command prompt opened up, make sure you actually hit that follow and that like. So let's get into this. Basically, I copied it from. I didn't remember the command, but I did copy it from the internet. To be honest with y'all. So if you look at this actually, I just look up how to update this image using command prompt. You actually will look it up. And if you're using DuckDuckGo or Brave, it will give you an AI response. So an AI response will actually be basically give you the information you need. So press Control B, Control B, and then this right here, this actually command will clean up the image and restore the health. So here, So yeah, it'll clear it up. So yeah. Okay. See right there. Okay, it's doing it. See, it will take some time. So I'll see you guys in a minute. Alright, guys. Basically, the first so we actually got this image repaired. So this is actually how you complete it. Anyways, I'm glad I can help you guys with this. Make sure you hit the follow and like so you never miss an upload. And until then, peace out.